Dennis with DR Evo, Police and Fire Equipment. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Code 3 full matrix system and some of the capabilities that it can do. First thing we're going to show you is the slide switch and what different lighting levels we have. In first position, this is just all of our rear lighting and giving you some side lighting with the running board lights. As we progress, we go to second position. This now turns everything on up front. So now we have 360-degree red and blue flashing. This is now a slower flash pattern, more intense. So this is less chaotic. During the day, third position, this is our pursuit. We now go to a faster flash rate. We add a bunch of white lights flashing, headlight flashers, intersection lights to help aid in moving traffic. When we throw the vehicle into park, it'll automatically kill your headlight flashers, kill your siren. During the daytime, all white lights other than the headlight flasher will stay flashing to compete with the sun. At nighttime, the photo cell will automatically turn off all white light flashing. This is nighttime mode. The bar will automatically dim by 30% and all auxiliary lighting will dim by 20%. With this system, we're allowed to program every light to do whatever we want it to do. So in this instance, we're going to show just the standard left alley, which is your driver's side alley light. So it gives you a little light off to the side. So if we're looking for mailboxes, addresses, same thing on the passenger side. But we've also programmed this for entire flood. So if we're working on the side of the vehicle, either left flood or right flood, driver and passenger side, we can flood the entire side of the vehicle, giving us tons of light to work on whatever side of the vehicle we need. We have standard takedowns and front flood, which floods the entire front of the light bar and the entire front of the vehicle, all your push bumper lights and hideaways up front. We have our standard takedown lights on. All I have to do is hit my high beams. As soon as I hit my high beams, it'll automatically flood the entire front of the light bar and the entire front of the vehicle, creating one big wall of white light. We also have rear flood programmed, so if we're working behind the vehicle, we got plenty of light there. Also connected is the vehicle four-way system, the hazard light. So you have your standard hazard, and then we turn the amber portion of the light bar to flash along with it, giving you more exposure. We've also programmed this system in the rear. When we have our light bar on in the minimum of second position, we have brake lights override programmed into the light bar and also on the lights at the rear license plate. This way, for any vehicles following are well informed that we're braking. But this is only when the light bar is on. When the light bar is off, you just have normal brake lights. We've also programmed it to give extra reverse light function, where we're doing your reverse lights, the two lights by the license plate, and then also the light bar to give you more light in the rear. This only happens when the headlights are on. Other functions that we have in the vehicle is when we open the door and the headlights are on, we automatically flood the running board lights. This way we can see what we're stepping into. And we also turn on the dome light for the prisoner compartment. The dome light is also an antimicrobial light, which helps COVID, SARS, all that type of things. It's the same light that we put into an ambulance. When the door's shut, automatically will turn off. If the headlights are off and we open the door, none of that comes on. Rear of the vehicle, we do have a dome light mounted in the rear compartment to give us some added extra light. This again only turns on when the headlights are on. When the light bar is on and we have the lights flashing coming to the rear liftgate, as soon as we open up the rear liftgate, we automatically kill our four lights, turn on our lights in the rear liftgate and our dome light. As soon as it's shut, it automatically go back to normal. The Matrix system also has the arrow stick capabilities, both left, right, and center out. This is the full flicker cruise option that is provided with the system. This enables the entire vehicle to be at a 20% brightness and do a little flicker. Very, very helpful for just wanting your presence known but not having your lights flash. This is the Code 3 vehicle-to-vehicle sync that comes with the Matrix package, which allows for a less chaotic scene when multiple vehicles are on scene. So the siren part of this comes with dual sirens and also a lower frequency when horn ring is activated. First siren we have programmed. This is the dual siren tones. Now when we activate our horn, going through an intersection, one goes to a lower frequency, the other one changes tones. Different siren tones. In addition, when we hit our air horn and going through an intersection, we have our front lights that go to a rapid, fast white flash to get more attention. Dual air horns. This is just some of the stuff that the Code 3 full Matrix package can do for you. So contact us at DR Evo Police and Fire Equipment and let us spec out your car and get you this and more.